How's it going, guys? In this video I'm going to be doing a little test. So I got a question from a subscriber of mine which related to a tire shop that he went to. Basically what it was he got his rims balanced, and then for one reason or another he had to get his tire taken off the rim and put back on. Now this was in a very short period of time after he had them already balanced, and he got charged again at the same tire shop. He posed the question to them, why did it need to be rebalanced? And they told him if the tire comes off the rim, it's got to be rebalanced. So he asked me the question, is that factual? Now, in my honest opinion, I wasn't 100% sure. I felt maybe if it was marked line for line that it wouldn't need to be, but I couldn't give him a definitive answer. So with that said, I have a rim here. I'm going to set it up, I'm going to balance it. After I balance it, I'm going to mark on the tire to rim exactly where it's situated. I'm going to strip the tire off and I'm going to put it back on again. And I'm going to see if this needs to be rebalanced or if it's going to be much out. So this is basically going to be a test just to find out, does the tire really need to be rebalanced if the tire has been stripped off, if it's been marked. So let's get into it. This is an old rim, so I'm not sure if it has a bit of a wobble or not. We'll find that out in a second. Looks reasonably straight. Okay, so the readings on this is 35 grams on the outside, 30 grams on the inside is the balancing that it needs. Okay, so that is set at 0, now. I'll just show you that. Okay, so the test has showed up 0. Next thing I'm going to do is take this back off, mark up the edge of the rim to the tire, and go from there. I'm just going to take it off now. And very simply, I'm going to just put a mark line down and across like that. So that's just my mark line, and I'm going to strip it off and put it back on again. Okay, when I'm locking the arm, I'm going to make sure that I set it back a bit so I don't scrape the rim by pulling the weight, and also move the weight in any direction. So I'll just set it back a little bit and I'll be able to take the tire off without affecting where the weights are sitting. Okay, so there you have it. I have the tyre now off and I'm getting ready to stick it back on. What's your thoughts on this? Will it balance up perfect? Will it be a few grams out? My guess is, because we're all going to make a guess at this, is it's going to be 5 to 10 grams out. Nothing serious and nothing that would really affect the balance too much. So let's pop it back on, stick it on the balancer, and let's see. Okay, so that's now perfect. Took a little bit of adjustment because it slipped just past it on me, but now the lines are exactly where they should be. I'll just show you that there before I pump it up. So the lines are marked up nice and straight. Going to pump that up and stick it on the balancer and let's see what happens. Okay, so it's ready to go on the balancer. Now obviously the longer a tyre is on the road, the more chance it has of needing rebalance. But again, this subscriber had just got his tyres all balanced up and he just wanted to strip a tyre off and put it back on again. So let's see, based on that principle, whether he would have got away potentially with without balancing. Moment of truth. Will it be out of balance? 0-0. Absolutely perfect. I was expecting maybe a 5 or 10 maximum to be out, but there was nothing whatsoever. And there's your result. If you have had a tyre taken off and the rim was already balanced very recently, if it's marked to its exact location, you shouldn't need to rebalance it again. I hope you found this video useful, guys. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe. I also have lots and lots of other stuff on my channel. Be sure to check out some of those if you're interested. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you in the next one.